Today, we'll be making epic Duncan Hines mini cookie dough cookies. So cool. To prep, shape, bake, and assemble. And personally, we will be needing eggs, butter, and water. There's no water in here, but we'll find some water. And yeah, so what we have to do is preheat the oven. Now, we will have to grease large baking sheet. Here is the baking sheet we are using and pan. And we have to take you can either grease it or you can either use a baking sheet. And personally, the butter I am using is the Country Crock plant butter with avocado oil. This is really going to be better for because we're cool like that. And because of the butter, we only need 4 teaspoons. The batter melted. That was great. Now what we have to do is mix all the ingredients together. So we have already in here the chocolate chip cookie mix. Now we're gonna pour the melted butter in. Just the egg. Crack it on the table. So, as we saw, I'm gonna go get some water. Now, with our wooden spoon, we're gonna blend it. I'm gonna take the first pan, this. So, I think I'll be fine. Ooh. I don't know if this was the best idea to maybe like wait. I'll be back because take some of it. Okay guys, never judge a cookie how it looks. Literally. The oven. Beautiful cookies are gonna be cooked. So cool, right guys? Okay. Water break. Stay hydrated. Now we're gonna go to the microwave and put it on a timer for we're gonna say 13 minutes. And after that, we'll take them out and see where they're at. But right now, what we have to do is do the other stuff. As you can see, you see all the sprinkles, you see the dough. How are we gonna make that, you ask? By the epic cookie dough flavored filling in the sprinkles. So cool. So what are we gonna have to do for that? Bake. Bake on a rack in center of oven according to chart until lightly brown. Cool on pan 2 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna assemble because that was just talking about the cookies. Now we're gonna spread filling on a flat side of the cookie. So this, all I have to do is like squish it around. Literally just have to squish it around and it'll be fine. Now what we're gonna do is spread filling on the flat side, half of the cookies. Top filling with another cookie to create sandwich. It's a sandwich, guys. I think I've just been saying a cookie, but it's a cookie sandwich. And then pour sprinkles onto a plate. That's what we're gonna be doing. Roll side of the cookies into make the cookie sandwich thing that I got from Publix and decided that it would be amazing to make this. So, what we're gonna have to do is get a plate. Get a good plate, like this. Actually, no, we're not gonna use this plate. We're gonna use this plate. And we're gonna cut open our sprinkles. Right? Pat them all around. Maybe eat one. Sprinkles. Sprinkles are good. Now, after that, I'm going to clean. You'll be here. And the cookies are done. I'm gonna go get them out and show you and tell you and show you how they look. I didn't have a toothpick, so whatever this is, I'm using to literally see if they're done. I get it. Kind of cool. But I'm gonna put them on to like this little like drying rack. But I think I did okay. Better than I suspected. I thought I was gonna like, they were gonna like burn the house down or somewhere. As you can see, some of them kind of burnt, some of them aren't. And that's okay. Now, cookie dough thing. I'm gonna cut right here. And I'm gonna put it on the bigger ones and see how that works. So I'm just kind of like squeezing it all over. And take this and I'm bring the sprinkles over here. Sprinkles. Kind of just gonna, they said to just roll it into there, so that's kind of what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. Can you guys see? That's what it looks like. They look okay, as you can see. But I think I tried my hardest. And now I'm gonna try one. I want to try this one. I'm gonna try it. They're pretty good. As you can see, I probably have it all over my face. But I love the cookie. It's pretty good. The rating I would probably give this, probably like at 8 out of 10. Didn't even take that long of a time. Thanks for watching. Literally just like, subscribe, comment, whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.